to be when you grow up?
I don't know.
Well, what do you like to do now? Do you like to draw? Do you like to paint? Go ahead and see. What can you create? Do you like to sing? Do you like to run? Go ahead and try. It'll be a lot of fun. What is the thing you do? You could do lots of different things if you want to. What is the thing you do? You could do lots of different things if you want to. Do you like to write? Do you play a sport? I'll see you at the basketball court. Do you like to spell? Just try and see. You could be the winner of the next spelling bee. What is the thing you do? You could do lots of different things if you want to. What is the thing you do? You could do lots of different things if you want to. We're often told, don't say the thing, so say the thing I do.
I do.
Your thing could be anything that you want to do.
Woo!
Be sesquipedalian, magnanimous and true.
And true.
Excogitate, work hard at it, and you're...
Happy with your light, you are gold, you shine so bright, a golden ray. You're my sunshine. Unicorn jazz, unicorn jazz. I'm so glad you're my friend. Unicorn jazz, our fun will never end.
Our fun will never end? I think it's just beginning.
That's right, be happy.
That's called the Unicorn Jazz Friendship Song.
Where do I find it?
Oh, that song can be found on all platforms. Spotify, on YouTube, on iTunes, and unicornjazz.com.
If you're friends with Unicorn Jazz, dance and sing with me.
Being happy is making up silly words.
Being happy is making a wish on your birthday.
Happy birthday. Being happy is writing a thoughtful letter. Oh yes, I am Penelope and I like to write.
Being happy is painting something new. I love painting.
Being happy is giving someone a balloon. Oh yes, I know I want a balloon. I think I want more than one balloon, especially when it's my birthday. What about you?
Being happy is walking on the beach and finding a shell on the beach. I love finding shells. Shell, 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 shell. Whoop.
Being happy is
Dancing with your friends.
la 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 la. Oh yeah, we love to dance. Oh yeah, dance with me. Okay. For the rest of our Being Happy pages, you can go to unicornjazz.com. You can also get your own Being Happy kit and tell us or tell someone you know what makes you happy. Adios! Our book is also available in Spanish and it's called Abejita Feliz, also available on Amazon. Now go and be happy.
Well, good morning. Welcome to the Thing I Do show. Wasn't that a great intro song? Love it. Also, the Be Happy book. Love that. Being happy with your light and being happy is all part of this show. Now, what I want to show is talk to you a little bit. I first want to say thank you. Thank you for Lisa drawing my name in the sand. Check it out, Dr. Chris. I've been getting a lot of emails about marine life, and one of the marine life emails I've been getting is asking about sea turtles. So What I have a friend of mine that is a close friend of Crush the sea turtle. It's kind of like him. He and I got together and made a video about sea turtles. I think you're going to like it. The video is called Graceful Gliding Green Sea Turtles, and it gives you a little information about green sea turtles. Well, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy the show today.
Hey dudes, green sea turtles are the largest species of sea turtle. They can live to be over 100 years old, grow to 3 feet long, and get this, they can weigh 300 to 400 pounds. Unlike other sea turtles, the green sea turtle can't pull its head or limbs inside its shell. These turtles are found nesting in the coastline warm waters. Green sea turtles spend most of their lives underwater, but hey, they do breathe air. They gotta come up every so often. They can live 5 hours underwater before breathing. The adult green sea turtles, they eat seaweed and seagrass. Scientists believe that these green foods give the turtles their green color. Sea turtle can get overgrown with algae on its shell, but they pull up to a reef and the fish come out and clean them. Green sea turtles migrate long distances. They can migrate as far as 1,600 miles. They have strong paddle-like flippers to propel them through the water. Female green sea turtles, they have to leave the water to lay their eggs on the beach. They will choose the same nesting beach where they were born to lay their eggs. She will dig out a nest, lay about 100 eggs or more, then she'll cover the eggs with sand and return to the sea. After about 2 months, the eggs are gonna hatch. These little dudes will pop out. They're about 2 inches long. These newly hatched little guys, but they gotta get back to the water. It's the most dangerous time for a little turtle. They are often being hunted by other animals. Birds, fish, crabs, even raccoons and foxes will eat them as they move from their nest to the sea. The adult turtles, they're also threatened, primarily from humans. They get injured from boat propellers, being caught in fishing nets, pollution, and fishing. Hey, the green sea turtle is a beautiful animal that lives in our oceans. Let's take care of our oceans and take care of these green sea turtles. Later.